everybody, welcome back to the True Octave website. My name is Wade Allen, and in this video segment I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about hammering. Now please excuse the camera angle as I've got it angled down so you can see the guitar a little bit better. The last segment we talked about hammer-ons and pull-offs. Basically doing a hammer-on or doing a pull-off. If you've practiced those, then you're ready to move on to tapping. So basically what tapping is just learning how to play down the fretboard and play some scales on the fretboard without really using a pick. And by doing it this way, you can really speed things up. Now what I'm doing here is I'm not just hitting down on the string. I'm hitting the string down, and then as I lift my finger back up, I'm actually pulling off that string sideways, so I'm making that string ring. So that's the first thing I would do in practicing doing your tapping, is just find a note anywhere on the fretboard, just hold it, come down here and hit that string. Or you don't even have to have anything down here, just practice doing that with your one hand. Now what a lot of people have learned to do is, because they hold the pick with these two fingers, I've seen a lot of guitarists learn how to tap with their middle finger. That way they don't have to put the pick down. They can, if they're playing with the pick, they can just go right into tapping while they hold that pick between those other fingers and they're using their middle finger to do their tapping. So practice that exercise. Practice hitting down and pulling up. And if you want to go ahead and pause the video while you practice that, go ahead. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this back up another step. Now go ahead and find a note down here to hold. You can maybe come down here and hold the A. And what we're going to do is we're going to add one more note in there. And remember, every time you come off this string, you want to come off sideways, because you want to ring that string. You don't necessarily have to do it down here with these other fingers, but it's important that this finger is coming off and hitting that string like that. And so basically by changing these notes down here, you can decide what scale you want to be in as you're doing your tapping and add that into your solo. So basically we're just going to kind of stick with the E major scale. Now if you want to really get even faster with it, you can throw in two more steps. Before we were just doing it with one note in between. And this is called playing a triplet, because we're just playing three notes over and over again really fast, and this is called a triplet. Well, we can add a fourth note in there by staying within that same scale. Oops, let me try it again. And so basically that's how to learn how to do tapping. You know, tapping was made popular by a little well-known guitarist named Eddie Van Halen. He didn't exactly invent tapping, but he certainly mastered it and made it popular. So just go ahead and keep practicing, and once again, thanks for watching.